This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Android Auto is installed and updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Plug the original USB cable into the phone and the Vios USB port, because data-only cables can fail. Unlock your phone and enable Bluetooth and location services so the car can detect the device. Once done, watch the Vios display for the Android Auto prompt and tap to accept permissions. This first connection step establishes the secure data link needed for audio. Next, select Android Auto on the Vios infotainment menu. This tells the head unit to switch to the app interface. On your phone, grant necessary permissions like contacts, messages, and media access so voice prompts and calls work correctly. Make sure Android Auto is set as the default for media and navigation if the phone asks. This prevents interruptions from other apps. If voice activation is needed, enable microphone access, now so you can use Google Assistant hands-free while driving. To finish, verify audio routes to car speakers and that the microphone picks up your voice for calls and assistant commands. Make a quick test call or navigation prompt. If Android Auto does not connect, restart the phone and the Vios infotainment system to clear temporary errors. Make sure to try a different high-quality USB cable or another USB port next. Many problems come from faulty cables or ports. If still failing, check for software updates on both devices before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.